Let's meet Julian. A few months ago, he was totally upset because his iPhone couldn't hold sufficient charge throughout a day. He thought it would be better to have a battery replacement for his iPhone. But he was a bit confused as to where he could get an affordable service too quickly. Julian shared his problem with some of his friends, and one of them suggested him for iTech Express. Without wasting time, he took service from them and he was very satisfied after receiving their service. iTech Express provides comprehensive parts for replacement as compared to other repairing centers. Plus, they offer fast service at an affordable cost. Do you also want to take help with any kind of replacement issue from iTech Express? Call at 626-777-4747. Also, visit itechexpressing.com to explore more.